Thank you.
Good day, sir.
Good day. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, sir. Sir, please, I'm sorry to bother you this morning. If you take a very good look at me, you will know that I'm not a beggar from head to toe. But sir, my wife just put to bed. But this child does not look like me. So I want to do a DNA test. So I'm looking for money. Any amount you can help me with, just so I can add to the one I have to do the DNA test. I will really appreciate, sir. Please, sir.
Solo.
You know me before.
Uncle Matthew.
Solo. I said it. Oh. See your life? I said it that you will not amount to anything.
What do you mean by that?
It's a pity.
See, your classmate that I thought you and them together way back in the secondary school, I know who they are in the society now. Some are big CEOs. They have big cars, big houses. Some are politicians, doctors, and engineers. Just look at your life. Common beggar. That's what you do. And I was telling your parents back then that the money they are using to pay your school fees, they should use it and invest it in their farms, poultry farms, so that they will be training animals. At least that will favor them more than you are doing now. Will you get out of my front? Nonsense.
What's going on here?
Solo, my son.
Uncle.
Is this your car?
This is one of my cars.
Your cars?
Yeah.
Solo, you know, I'm an old man now. The way I reason sometimes is somehow. Hope you are not angry the way I spoke with you the other time.
Not at all. It's fine.
Thank you. Solo, are you going towards this direction?
Oh, yes.
Can you please just help me to the next junction?
Enter, sir.
Thank you very much. Solo, my son.
Uncle.
This is good.
Please, 1 minute, sir. Uncle, I hope you are feeling the AC.
Very well. Cool. See, in all my life, this is the first time I'm entering a car with air condition. Not just ordinary air condition. This one, it a bite. My son, I am proud of you. Very proud of you.
Thank you, Uncle. Oh, yeah, calm down.
Very good.